What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of SV's Auto. Today we're going to get to work on this window frame here where there's some holes in it. If you're new here, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and the bell for notifications. You can also follow us on the FaceTubes and Instagram. But let's get going. So come check it out. Okay, so I had this piece left over from the fender that I had cut out. And I had put a bend in it, but it was too short for my rear apron. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut this down along this edge, use this on the shrinker stretcher, see if I can get the shape I'm looking for. So that's the plan, cut it down and see if we can make some bends in that. Alright, so I got my shape here, rough shape. Let's see if I can start to make, so this thing has to go like this. I'm going to try to shrink this side to pull the metal upward. So let's see what happens here. You can see it's getting closer. Need to do a little bit more to make that contour, but I think that's going to work well. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can match that contour. Okay, so that matches pretty good. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get some clamps. I'm going to clamp this to the existing track, and then I'm going to get a body hammer and see if I can't start to form some of this a little bit. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some clamps and a body hammer and see if we can beat this thing into submission. Okay, well, it's fit in. It's pretty good. I'm going to start on this upper corner here, tack it here, and then kind of work it this way. I think that it will work well, and then grind down this to match when I get it completely welded in. So I'm going to go ahead and get the welder out and start making some tacks and see if we can't finish this one up. in, ground down, and I think that looks pretty darn good. So that's another one off the list. And we can move on to the next bit. Alright, well thanks for watching another episode of SB's Auto. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, comment below as always, and we will see you on the next one when we get going further towards the front and do some work maybe to the dog leg. We'll see what's underneath all that Bondo. So we'll see you next time.